Okay, welcome back to the channel. I have the iPhone SE silicone case. Here's that beautiful iPhone SE in clearly white. Let's do the unboxing and application of this case on this beautiful phone. So let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any future content, and make sure you like this video as it helps the channel grow. So here we have it, the iPhone SE silicone case. I'll take it out, just pop it down over here. This comes up, and all you do is just slowly open this up. I'll compare this case to the case over here, which is the leather case. I've done an unboxing and application for this case, as well as the unboxing for the phone, which I'll leave up there on the top right corner. So this case goes for $45 on the Apple website. Both of these cases, I'll leave a link for both of them down below in the comment section, as well as in the description for you to check out and for you to link to afterwards. So this one, however, goes for $35. So let's see what the difference is between the two cases, and let's apply them all. Very similar to the one on the left. I find the leather case is a little bit more durable than this silicone case. That's a hard shell case. But both of these cases have the same thing on the inside, the same plush material. So you can take a look at both of them. But if you compare this case, a little bit more firmer, a little bit more premium feeling because it's a leather material. This is just silicone, but nonetheless, we're going to apply it on. So I did the application wrong for this one, but nonetheless, let's apply this case right here to the iPhone SE. And here we go. We're going to come in from the left over here, and then pop it in with the right. So here you go, the iPhone SE in the silicone case. So let's compare both of these cases. So right off the bat, let's take a look at it from this side. There's a plastic button over here, right here on the silicone case, nothing. Now at the back, you have the same Apple logos. On the left side over here, it's kind of like a cutout material. On the right side, it's the same material. It doesn't feel as great as the one on the leather case. Let's take a look at the left sides. So on the left side over here, you get the same thing. It's the plastic buttons and the cutouts for your alert sliders. Same thing over here. You get your buttons, but they're not plastic. They're just built into the silicone material, and then the alert sliders. Both cases have cutouts for the camera. Both cases will have cutouts for the bottom for you to use for the speakers, as well as the lightning port. Both cases are wireless charger ready. So if you're using a wireless charger to charge up your device, you can use both of these cases without any issues. Personally, I like the silicone better because of one thing only, because the grip is a little bit better. It's a silicone material, so the grip is going to be a little bit better compared to the leather case on the left side. So $10 extra gets you this premium quality material with these like plastic buttons on the left side and the right side, and the different color choices available, the blue one and the product red. That's not available on the silicone side, but nonetheless, both these cases are really good. I'll be leaving a link for both of these cases down below, and if you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe. And thank you once again for watching this video and liking this video. I hope you enjoyed this, and let me know what you think about both these cases. Which one would you choose, leather or the silicone case over here? Anyways, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.